2023 marks the 30th anniversary of the official lighting of the depot. You may remember driving by the dilapidated old train station. The last train left the station in October of 1979, and many never gave the limestone building a second thought. During the 80s and 90s, there were some that envisioned the building becoming a shopping center, residential apartments, and even a dermatology office. The L&N Depot was set to be razed. The limestone structure in all its glory was going to be leveled. A few dreamers in town didn't want to see this history be forgotten. Operation Pride was formed, and the restoration of the L&N Depot was their first project. The building was purchased for $105,000, and over the next several years, millions of dollars and even more volunteer hours went into the planning and restoration of the building. I liken this to the story of the citizens of Bowling Green pulling together some $1 million prior to the Civil War to entice the Louisville-Nashville rail line to travel through Bowling Green. Over the next several years, Operation Pride, Warren County Fiscal Court, the City of Bowling Green, Warren County Public Library, and the Railroad Depot Commission would be a part of the story of the resurrection of the L&N Depot and the eventual opening of the historic Rail Park and Train Museum. 30 years later, this building is full of life, often bustling with tourists admiring the workmanship of the 1920s. We host local visitors daily with our tours, events, and rentals. And like any structure that has constant use, the upkeep of the building is both a priority and a strain. With your help, we will continue the preservation efforts of the L&N Depot. And this year, to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the lighting of the depot, we will once again light up the depot. On a chilly winter night, December 9th, 1993, a crowd of over 100 stood in front of the building, waiting for the lights to come on. With the flip of a switch, only half of the lights flashed on. What did not light up was the Christmas tree. We think it's time to make it right. Let's turn the lights on once more, and this time, let's make sure Christmas shines bright at the L&N Depot.
This is the year we will light the depot for Christmas. With the money raised with this campaign, we will restore the lampposts, install window shades in the grand lobby, and we will continue preservation and maintenance of the building. We can't forget our historic rail cars. They'll be lit for Christmas too. Each rail car will be coated with a UV sealant and will replace the flooring in the World War II Army hospital car and the 109 segregated passenger car. There are several ways you can help light up the depot. Be the spark by donating $25. Keep the flame burning with a recurring donation of $25 per month. Sign on as a Luminary family sponsor with a $100 donation. Join the Lantern Club with a $1,000 donation, or sponsor a rail car with a $5,000 donation. Only 5 are available. All donors will receive our 2023 commemorative ornament and an invite to light up the depot on November 30th, 2023. Support our campaign and your name will be displayed in the rail park throughout 2023.
We're asking you, our friend, to join us and light up the depot.